We're going for a little picnic today, guys, and that's Ro and Shani with the bag. Ro has pizza. Ro. So we're walking. Well, I wouldn't even really say it's a picnic either. It's just us. Okay, it's just us going to it's a Saturday evening and we're home, so why not just come to the park and just get some cool breeze, fresh air, same thing, relax, eat, yeah, eat pizza, drink some water,
wedding taking place here.
read a book. Oh yeah, today, yeah. This is a limo. What is this? Classic limo tours.
There's a Range Rover crossing.
Yeah. Jamaicans roll out, Mr. and Miss. Jamaicans don't play with them wedding. So yeah, we're at Emancipation Park.
Here is a nice spot to take pictures for wedding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Photo shoots overall.
Yeah, photo shoot. Any type of photo.
There's even a jogging trail here.
We are looking for a spot to spread out our towels and so forth.
Oh, the wedding party over there. Oh, so they're wearing their towels and whatnot. Hello. Baby. Spots over there anyway, you know. Right. Sun is out. You can sit here if you want. Kids playing. Wedding party down back. Nice flowers and trees. Then I was spreading the little thing. It's very windy here, which is cool and nice because Jamaica is so hot. So hot right now. And I brought my pillow along. It's relaxing.
Shauna is taking her John Maxwell book. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, about to go in the tummy. So everybody's getting in on their pizza.
I think this is the official entryway. No, this is the official entryway, right? They have statues of our little statues, our national heroes. Shane is trying to play golf with the selfie stick. I tell you, these statues were actually a big deal when the park opened. These statues created such a stir when this park just opened, because there are persons who think that the statues are pretty much inappropriate. Very defined. But I also think it's beautiful artwork. Very well sculpted. Look at the sun setting.